It all comes down to this. The championship game of our Comfort Madness HVAC giveaway is here. After weeks of upsets and buzzer beaters, only two remain. Team 1954 versus Team Dead Zone Dribblers. One game will decide it all, and one contestant will take the crown. Tune in tonight and cheer on your team, because the winner walks away with the ultimate prize. A Mitsubishi electric heating and air conditioning system installed for free by ECI Comfort. The journey ends here, but for one lucky fan, elevated comfort is just beginning.